BHA, BHA, BHA.
Now may I call upon stage our guest of honor, Mr. M. Balaji. As Group CEO of Camellia Group and of Clark Exotica Convention Resorts and Spa, Mr. Balaji M. brings his diverse experience spanning over 25 years, which helps him translate everyday work into meaningful services. He has created a team of future business leaders and built successful business. At Clark Exotica, Mr. Balaji has achieved remarkable business feats by doubling the annual turnover and tripling the occupancy rate, which landed him as well-deserved role of a CEO. Martial arts has been his primary strength, and he grew into coaching prominent members of the city. He eventually gained experience in tourism industry through the government of Karnataka, which later helped him shape his remarkable career. In addition to his professional pursuits, Mr. Balaji harbors a profound passion for agriculture. He tends to a dedicated farm committed to organic farming and actively engages with local farmers, and he endeavors to advocate for the adventure of sustainable agriculture. His steadfast commitment to personal and professional growth stands as a testament to his unwavering dedication and relentless pursuits of excellence. As Group CEO of Camellia Group and of Clark's Exotica Convention Resorts and Spa, he leads the team with a clear vision, innovation, and a profound understanding of various industries, ensuring the organization's continuous success and expansion. Now we will listen to the address by our guest of honor, Mr. Balaji M.
Namaskar all. On behalf of my entire team, I welcome you all to Clark's Exotica Convention Resort and Spa. And also want to thank the PHA team for choosing us for this special event and give us the opportunity to host this event. Thank you all. Housekeeping department is one of the backbone and heart of any department or any hotel or any business. As you enter the gate, you saw the clean road, unclogged drain, beautiful garden, flowers, and as you enter the lobby, you can smell the fragrance and you can feel the touch of the fabric or the furniture. So hospitality is all about touching upon five senses, and out of five, four comes from housekeeping. So generally people don't realize that, but most of the thing, what people see, what people touch, what people smell, it's all comes from housekeeping department. So they do an untiring job, be it early morning, be it late night, whatever the event is, whether before the event starts or while the event is on, after the event, they do the job which no other team member can do. I also want to just give my advice, or rather suggestion, calling housekeeping professional, we need to change the name, because I feel we are all, an housekeeping team is an artisan team, because a sculptor can just carve a statue, a painter can paint a painting, but then the one who preserves is the housekeeping department. So they are actually the two artisans who maintain it, who keep it for long, and give the due respect for whatever the sculpture or the painting is, or even the property. Without the housekeeping team, no business can survive. In our team, we don't in our hotel, housekeeping team is very crucial, because if you see in our property, it is all over, it's about 350 acres, but the resort is spread around 70 acres. So they take a special care right from morning to evening. And even the garden or the road, whatever you see, it's all done by our team without complaining, because it's quite big. When it rains, when it is summer or even winter, so they're always there on the field. We are talking about soft skills training, hard skill training, but today's requirement is human skill training, because today we are dealing with youngsters, and we really don't know what is their need or what is their idea of career. Because I am into different verticals, I take care of different businesses, but then dealing with the new generation has become quite a bit of a challenging. And we are in the era of instant gratification. Everyone wants immediately. Everything is like, soon after they join, they want the increment, they want the promotion and whatnot. So we need to train our youngsters. We need to train them, like Madam Madhu told in the morning, that we need to teach them patience, which is very much required. And I feel that this is a need of an hour. More than AI, I feel we need to develop this. And also, our industry especially is, in the next 5-10 years, I see a lot of competition, because any new hotel opens, the first thing is to poach people from the close-by hotels or close-by offices. But we are not giving that importance to develop this industry. So all of us have to come together to develop this industry. And also, it's nice to see that at least one division of the hospitality industry has started this forum. And I request, all the hoteliers, we have to come together and develop this forum in all the departments, be it production, service, security. Security is again a big requirement today. So we need to invest ourselves more into developing overall hospitality industry, coming together. And this is a great opportunity. And thank you for honoring us and choosing our property. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your profound words. May I request Ms. Grace Gideon, one of the senior-most academician and recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award, to kindly felicitate Mr. Balaji.
BHA! 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 BHA!